Let's go through the modes with some detail here. The point of Assistive is to help the driver drive. The driver is responsible for steering, for speed control, everything you'd expect in a normal car. But a typical recent car will have quite a bit of assistance to help the driver drive better. Some of that assistance is better execution of driver commands. Anti-lock brakes help stop faster in bad conditions. Electronic stability control improves car handling. But those don't drive for the driver. Those just help the driver be a better driver. There are also some momentary interventions for safety. And the momentary is the important part here. This is not machinery taking control of the vehicle for a sustained period, but rather a momentary intervention to help the driver achieve safety goals that the driver should have been intending to achieve. For example, automated emergency braking can help the driver stop faster to avoid a collision when the driver was already intending to brake. More advanced versions might be more aggressive than that, but in general, the idea here is that the driver is still in charge of safety and that the vehicle is helping the driver accomplish obvious driver intent. There are some interventions to improve driver performance, but again, the driver is responsible for safety within an assistive system. Some standards that help with this are functional safety standards. ISO 26262 is the classic automotive one, and that helps make sure that even if there's an internal fault in the equipment, that the equipment still tries to execute driver intent to the best of its ability.